Now see, this is the page number 1. Okay, what is this? Lesson number 1 about myself. Okay, now children, what can you see here? There is one boy, another is a girl. Now what you are supposed to do? You have to compare yourself with these pictures. Suppose this girl is having long hair. I am also having long hair. So I am a girl. Now please turn the page. Come to page number 2. Okay, now see, there are some sentences about myself. Okay, now see, children, do you remember you have studied in your earlier classes that junior and senior classes? In the same way you have to write over here. Hello, I am. Here you have to write your name. Okay, I am a. Are you a girl or a boy? You have to write over here. I study in class. In which class do you study? That you have to write over here. Now next one is I like to. What you like to do? That you have to write over here. Okay. Now what can you see? There is one map. Okay. And this is the map of our country. What is the name of our country? Yes, India is my country. What is the spelling of India? INDIA. Okay, so write the spelling from here and do it properly without any spelling mistakes. Now next one is the image of school. What is the name of your school? Ojas International School. Ojas International School. If you don't know the spelling, then look from here and then write in your book. Okay, please don't do any mistakes. Okay kids, now let's come on page number 3. Now what can you see? Circle the country in which you live. In which country do you live? Yes, we live in India. So do a circle on India. Next one is my father's name is. Do you remember I had given you in your homework of your last week that write here your father's name, mother's name. Okay, and here you have to write your height. Okay, what is your height? You have to write over here. Can you see here cm is written? Cm means centimeter. Okay, now next one is I weighed dash kg. What is your weight? That you have to write here. Here kg is written. Kg means kilogram. Okay, now please turn the page and come to page number 4. Okay, now what can you see here? There is one girl who is having her birthday party and she invited all her friends in the birthday. Okay, now here definition of birthday is written. The day on which a person is born is called his or her birthday. Okay, let's read again. The day on which a person is born is called his or her birthday. And next one is I was born on dash. Here you have to write your birth date. Here see 3/2/2010. So 3 is the date, 2 is the month and 2010 is the year. Okay, now see last one is circle the thing you would like to get as a gift on your birthday. Here some images are there. Bat and ball, bus, bicycle, teddy bear and shoes. Here few things are given and you have to circle on that picture which you want as a gift on your birthday. I want teddy bear, so I will circle on teddy bear. Okay kids, so I like teddy bear, so I want it as my gift on my birthday. Now let's come on page number 5. Circle the number which shows your current age. Suppose your age is 6. Okay, so you have to circle on number 6. And here I am dash years old. So here you have to write number 6. Okay, now next one is key terms are given. Fingerprint and birthday. Birthday you know that the day a person was born. Okay, Birthday means the day a person was born. And here it is fingerprint, a mark made on a surface by a person's fingertip. So let me explain you with the help of stamp pad. What is this? This is the stamp pad. Okay, so please open it. Take your pointer finger deep. This is the tip of your pointer finger. See, this is the tip of your pointer finger. Deep, and then you have to print. Okay, see. So this is your fingerprint. Okay, kids, have you understood? Yes, fingerprint means a mark made on a surface by a person's fingertip. Okay, now let us practice somewhat. Tick the face that shows how you felt. Here some situations are given and two faces are given. Happy face and sad face. So first one is on your birthday. When you are having your birthday, at that day how you will feel? You will feel very happy. So tick on happy face. Next one is when you had a fight with your friend. Okay, when you had a fight with your best friend, then how you will feel? You will feel happy? Are you feel happy? No, we will feel very sad. So tick on sad face. Now let's come on page number 6. Okay, when your dog fell ill. Okay, when your dog fell ill, then how you will feel? You will be feeling happy, no? No, you will be feeling very sad. Okay, so tick on sad face. Next one is when you went on a holiday. When a summer break is there in your school and your parents planned a big trip to go somewhere, then how you will feel? You will feel very happy. Now on the first day at school. Okay, now see. Now there is a break from last 3 months. Okay, kids, and when you will come to school after this break, okay, then how you will feel? You will be feeling very happy. Okay, now next question is answer these questions about yourself. Okay, this you are supposed to do in your homework. Okay, what is the name of the city in which you live? Here you have to write the name of the city which you live. So here you have to write the name of the city in which you live. Suppose I live in Jodhpur. So here you have to write Jodhpur. Okay. What is your nickname? Here you have to write that name which your parents used to call at your home. In which city were you born? Here you have to write the name of your city where you born, means your birthplace. Okay. Then last two sentences you have to observe your hair and eyes, and then you have to write here the color of your hair and color of your eyes. And last question of this lesson is pick the words from the box and write them under the correct image. Here see 4 words are there: tie, girl, boy, long hair. 2 images are there. One is a boy, another is a girl. So here you have to write the spelling of boy. If you don't know the spelling, then please pick the words from this table and then write. This is the image of girl. So here you have to write girl. Okay, and this boy is having tie on his neck. So here you have to write T-I-E, tie. This girl is having long hair. So here you have to write long hair. Okay. Have you finished? Yes. After completion of this video, you have to do this classwork in your book with good handwriting. Okay. And when you come back to the school, I will check it out. Okay, kids. Now, bye, and we will meet in our next video. Okay, in next video I will send you some homework and classwork, so please do it properly. Okay, kids, and please do good handwriting. Okay, bye.